We'll guide you through how to make a shape bend in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, locate the Google Chrome shortcut on your computer. Right-click the shortcut to open the context menu, then click the Open option to launch the browser. Once Google Chrome is open, click on the address bar at the top of the window and type Photopea. After entering the search term, press Enter on your keyboard to perform the search. When the search results appear, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, to access the website. After the page loads, the Photopea homepage will appear on your screen. To start a new project, select the New Project option. You can choose any template available in Photopea if one matches your needs. Alternatively, you can enter a custom canvas size to create a document with specific dimensions. When your settings are ready, click the Create button to open the editing workspace. After the editing page appears, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard to fit the canvas neatly within the screen area. Next, look at the toolbar menu located on the left side of the interface. From this toolbar, select the Shape tool and use it to create a shape on the canvas. Once the shape is visible, resize and reposition it as needed to prepare it for editing. Then, right-click on the shape layer in the Layers panel and convert the layer into a smart object. After converting it, go to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. From the available options, select the Puppet Warp feature. To begin shaping the object, add several points to the shape by using a single left click wherever you need control points. With these points in place, you can start bending the shape. Use the points you created earlier to control the direction and intensity of the bend. Hold the left mouse button, click, and drag the points to reshape the object. Continue making adjustments slowly and carefully to achieve smooth and accurate bending results.